In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mono sound to stereo in DaVinci Resolve. If you've recorded audio from a single microphone and it only plays from the left or right speaker, you're hearing a mono signal on one side. What we want is dual mono, where the exact same sound is sent to both the left and right channels, so it feels centered. Let's walk through how to do that cleanly inside Resolve. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app, load your project or create a new one, then bring your mono audio into the media pool and place it on the timeline. A quick way to confirm it's mono is to play it and watch the meters. You'll typically see only one side reacting or hear it in just one ear of your headphones. Next, right-click the audio clip on the timeline and choose Clip Attributes. In the window that opens, switch to the Audio tab. Here's where the routing happens. Change the format from mono to stereo. Under Source Channel, you'll see left and right destinations. Set both of these to Embedded Channel 1. That tells Resolve to feed the same mono source to both the left and right outputs. Click OK to apply. Press play, and you should now hear your audio centered with both meters moving together. This doesn't create true stereo, it duplicates your mono signal to both sides, which is exactly what you want for a single mic recording to feel balanced in a stereo project. If you prefer to set this behavior at the track level, so every clip you drop there acts like stereo, you can do that as well. In either the edit page or the Fairlight page, right-click the audio track header and choose Change Track Type to Stereo. This configures the track itself as stereo, which is helpful for consistent routing when you'll be placing multiple mono clips on the same track. If after making these changes the audio still plays on one side, check two things. First, make sure the pan control is centered. You can find pan in the inspector or in the mixer. It should be at 0 right in the middle. Second, revisit clip attributes to confirm that both the left and right destinations are mapped to embedded channel 1. Once those are set, your playback should be perfectly centered. That's all it takes to convert a mono clip to play properly in stereo in DaVinci Resolve. Clean, fast, and reliable.